Right, just thought I'd do a video on exhaust leak. I've got a major joint on my between the muffler and the centre pipe. I think I've got a leak there. I think the actual seal's gone in between it, but I just want to make sure. So what I've done, I've just sprayed it all around with water. I'm going to just do the accelerator. As you can see, it's all. I can see the water moving. You can see the actual exhaust fumes coming out. So I think I've just established when we leak is. You can do this for pretty much everywhere on the exhaust. If anything, any pressure trying to get out, always you try and spray it with water first, and you can see, watch the water move, and watch the exhaust fumes coming out. So sort of see the water moving. So yeah, this is pretty much got an exhaust leak on it. So gonna have to fix it and see how we get on. Probably the best time to do this is in the morning as well, when there's a lot of moisture in the system, and you can see it coming out. So yeah, just a quick video, quick hack for you. Hopefully this helped you. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.